I'm going to use this example to illustrate how to graph and describe the transformations of a cube root function. So I'm going to start with my table of values. These are the table of values for the parent cube root function. Earlier I started with -1 through 1, and then I saw the need to illustrate the values for -8 and +8. So I might as well start with -8 here. -8, -1, 0, then 1, and 8. So again, why do we use these values? We chose these values because they are perfect cubes. Like the cube root of -8 is -2. Cube root of -1 is -1. Cube root of 0 is 0. Then this is 1, and this is +2. Okay, so now let's apply the transformation. The -4 means that you have a horizontal translation. 4, since it's horizontal, you go to the opposite direction, so it's going to be 4 to the right. So that means, since we're going to the right, I have to add 4 to the original x values. So let's do that. We're going to add 4 to the original x. So x, then plus 4. Okay, so -8 plus 4 is -4. So this will be your new x column, right? Maybe you're wondering, okay, why did I write +4 when the original column is x minus 4? Because if it's a horizontal translation, we reverse the direction. So that means we're moving the graph 4 to the right. So that means we're going to add 4 to get the correct transformation. The -1 plus 4 is 3. 0 plus 4 is 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. And 8 plus 4 is 12. Now let's do the constant multiplied to the front of the radical sign. So this will be a vertical stretch because it's bigger than 1 by a factor of 3. So in other words, we're going to multiply 3 to the original y values. So this will be multiply 3 times the original y values, which are these, right? So 3 times -2 is -6. 3 times -1 is -3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 1 is 3. And 3 times 2 is 6. Go. So now let's take the graph. So when you're graphing, you need your new x column and your new y column. So this will be the ordered pairs that we're going to graph. So now let's plot the points. When x is -4, we go down -6, positive 3, go -3, 4, 0, 5, 3, and 12, 6. Okay. So you can kind of see the pattern here. Okay. This is your turning point, so now it has to change direction. There you go. So that's the graph of g of x is equal to 3 times the cube root of x minus 4.